So right now, if you run a core Lightning node, you need a computer somewhere that you can download and run it on. It can't be a Windows computer, probably can't be a mobile phone. So you're going to need basically a laptop or preferably some sort of desktop plugged in somewhere that you can put your node on, right? Or you could put it on a server that someone else runs in the cloud, but that's not really something we'd recommend because, it's got keys to funds on it, that sort of thing. Greenlight is like, okay, the number of people that have that set of requirements, right? Like a computer they can put their node on, etc., is pretty limited. So Greenlight is like an opportunity for people to run a node in the cloud on hosted infrastructure, but keep their keys on their phone, in their purse, somewhere that's not like a server in the cloud.